Get your exhaust into race mode quickly and easily with Hooker's new Street-Tease exhaust cutouts. With the flick of the remote, you can go from street legal to race mode. The days of crawling under your car or truck to open up the exhaust are over. You can drive around with that sporty exhaust tone, and once you hit the track, you can be ready to rock. Made from stainless steel and aluminum, these kits will provide years of worry-free use. The turnoffs are skillfully merged and TIG welded for maximum exhaust flow. Kits are available in either 2.5 or 3-inch diameters in single or dual exhaust configurations. Easily operate the valve motors with included remote. A simple 12-volt cigarette lighter plug-in is used for power. These kits do require welding, so plan accordingly. Everything is included to get your exhaust cutouts from Hooker installed and running. Thanks for watching. For more information on Hooker exhaust products, visit hookerheaders.com.